Happy Valentine's Day from DataStax. This Valentine's Day, we're so excited to offer an experience that benefits our entire developer community. We've created an experience that combines storytelling, generative AI, art, romance, and education, and we're calling it DataStax X Valentines. There's also a giveaway, which we'll talk about in just a minute. To access this, you're going to go to ds-valentines.vercel.app. We'll put links around this video for easy access. Once you're there, you're going to see this. And if you enter your GitHub username, you're going to get a highly personalized poem for you generated with AI, just like this. So I entered my username, and you can see that I get this poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. In the heart of Berlin, there's no one like you. Aw, I live in Berlin. It knows that. From AdGetIgnore, which is the name of my repo, to Langflow and Streams, you've enchanted us all with your coding dreams. It's adorable. And so I can now share this on X, and this is the giveaway portion. The most liked poem shared on X at the end of day on February 14th, that is Valentine's Day, will win a really, really exciting prize. We also may have prize for second and third place, so you never know. So share it, and then if people like it, you're going to win something. But we wanted to combine this experience also with education. And so there's this extra button, go under the hood. And what happens when you click on that? When you click on Go Under the Hood, you literally open DataStax Langflow, which is an open source tool for modeling AI workflows and exposing them over a web API. This is the backend that powers our Valentine's Day poem generator. And it's just like fully open for you. So you can click here and check this out. This is the chat input. That's where you get the username from. From there, you feed it into a prompt. The prompt is part of the username is part of a bigger prompt which says create a short, highly personalized, funny, and romantic poem worthy of being shared on social media, and some instructions here. From there, the prompt goes to an AI agent, and the agent uses tools, specifically this URL tool, to talk to the GitHub API and discover you. This is literally the thing we use. And so I'm going to paste an API key here, and let's take it for a spin. I go to the playground, and I enter my GitHub username. And what's going to happen now is it's going to use the tool and generate me a fresh poem based on my GitHub profile. I can click here and inspect what's actually happening. And I can see that it's checking API github.com/user/me/repos, and it's getting a bunch of details about my repos, and it just keeps digging until it finds enough content to generate a poem. This is so cool. This is literally an agent exercising agency. And once we're done, here we go. Roses are red, violets are blue. Tejas writes code with passion so true. And this is a new poem, but it's so cute. Tejas, my coder, you brighten my days. Aw. This is the backend that powers our Valentine's Day poem generator. And this way shows you how we do it. This is literally what we're doing. Of course, we have our own one, so you can't mess with this. Like, this is just a playground, but this is exactly 100% a one-to-one copy of the flow we're using. We hope this gives you inspiration with AI. We hope that you end up participating in our campaign and winning the prize for the most liked poem. And ultimately, we just hope you learn and enjoy generative AI. We hope you feel inspired to build something with Langflow, and we can't wait to see what you do with all of this. Happy Valentine's Day once again.